Hello guys, welcome to the Prayoga Lab channel. In this video, we demonstrate some practicals related to the Venn diagram generator. In the first demonstration, we show how the same charge repels each other. So first we connect here to the dome and now we start Venn diagram generator. As the generator starts, the charge get accumulated on the dome and the same charge get transferred to the hairs. Since the dome and the hairs have same charges, so they pushed away each other. So that means that same charges repels each other. Now when we bring any neutral body just like our hand closer to the hairs, you can see that the hair got attracted towards the hand. Similar thing happened with the sphere. The hair got attracted towards the sphere. Now we are heading towards our second demonstration, which is the demonstration of potential gradient. Here we are using digital multimeter to observe the potential difference. Since the Venn diagram generator is turned off, so there is no charge on the dome and therefore there is no electric field and no potential difference. Now we are turning on the Venn diagram generator, because of which the charge get accumulated on the dome and the charge produce an radial electric field. So that radial electric field produce an electric potential difference, which is showing in the digital multimeter. As we move red pin closer to the dome, the potential difference increases, which is showing that the electric field is radially outward. As you can see, the LED is blinking in the tester because the potential difference is created between the 2 points of the tester. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you like this video, please support us by subscribing our channel. Thank you.